Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the MCQ based question in English of 24th November 2022. So we will discuss about the important MCQ based question of the daily current affairs. The first question is, who is the founder of the popular drink named Rasna? Option A is the Neeraj Khambata. Option B the William A. Mithel. Option C the Arej Piroj Shah Khambata. Option D the Salib D. Bradham. So the founder of Rasna is Arej Piroj Shah Khambata. Option C is the correct option. Recently, the founder of popular drink Rasna has died. The option is option C, Arej Piroj Shah Khambata. And currently the brand ambassador of Rasna is Akshay Kumar. Next question 2. Which city of Canada gets first turbaned Sikh Harkirat Singh as the deputy mayor? Option A is the Toronto city. Option B is the Quebec city. Option C is the Thunder Bay. Option D is the Brampton city. So the Harkirat Singh has become the deputy mayor of the Brampton city. So correct option is option D, Brampton city. There are presently 18 Sikhs members in the Canadian Parliament. The Prime Minister of Canada is the Justin Trudeau, and the currency of Canada is the Canadian dollar. Next question number 3. Which bank has launched the two new products, loan against deposit and dollar bonds for non-resident Indian, it means NRI, at the Gift City branch in the Gujarat? Option A is the Axis Bank, option B the Canara Bank, option C the ICICI Bank, option D the HDFC Bank. So correct answer is the option C. ICICI Bank has launched two new products, that is loan against deposit and dollar bonds for NRI at the Gift City branch in Gujarat. Next question is, which states has maximum number of factories according to the Handbook of Statistics on Indian States 2022? Option A is the Tamil Nadu, option B the Gujarat, option C the Maharashtra, option D the Andhra Pradesh. So correct option is option A. Tamil Nadu has the highest number of factories. The 7th edition of the Handbook of Statistics on Indian States has been released by the RBI. At first place is Tamil Nadu with 38,837 factories. At second place it is Gujarat. At third place it is Maharashtra. So these are the top three states which are having maximum number of factory. Next question 5. What is the name of dog which is used for anti-poaching dog squad K9 in the Kaziranga and Manas National Park? The option is Porter, option B the Rocket, option C the Jorva, option D the Otis. So correct answer is the name of the dog is the Jorva. Jorva is the name of dog who has died recently. Next is the question 6. Who has inaugurated the Saras Ajivika Mela 2022, that is Saras Ajivika Mela 2022 at the New Delhi in Pragati Maidan? Option A the Giriraj Singh, option B the Anurag Thakur, option C the Piyush Goyal, option D the Narendra Modi. So correct answer is the option A. Giriraj Singh has inaugurated the Saras Ajivika Mela at the Pragati Maidan. Currently, Giriraj Singh is the Union Minister for Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. Next is question 7. At which place Indian Air Force Air Fest 2022 has been organized? Option A is the Bangalore, option B is the Pune, option C is the Punjab, option D is the Nagpur. So at the Nagpur, the Indian Air Force Air Fest 2022 has been organized. So correct answer is option D. It is organized at the Vayu Sena Nagar in Nagpur. Question 8. Who became the first Indian woman to win medal at the Asian Cup table tennis held in the Bangkok? Option is A. Ankita Das. Option B. The Manika Batra. Option C. The Srija Akula. Option D. The Neha Agrawal. So correct option is the Manika Batra has won the bronze medal. She has won the bronze medal at the Asian Cup table tennis that is held in the Bangkok. So it is held in the Bangkok, Thailand, in which she has won the bronze medal. Next is the how many gold medals India have won at the 15th Asian Championship that is held in the South Korea. Option A the 25, option B the 26, option C the 27, option D the 28. So total 25 gold medal have been won by the Indians at the 15th Asian Championship. Option A is the correct option, 25. So total India has won 25 out of the 28 events. Next is the who has won the 6th ATP final single title. Option A is the Novak Djokovic. Option B is the Roger Federer. Option C is the Rafael Nadal. Option D is the Casper Ruud. So correct option is the option A. Novak Djokovic has won the 6th ATP final. Question 11. Annamalai Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Option A is the Kerala, option B is the Karnataka, option C is the Tamil Nadu, option D is the Andhra Pradesh. So Annamalai Tiger Reserve has been located in the Tamil Nadu. So correct option is option C, Tamil Nadu. Recently at the Annamalai Tiger Reserve, the Jumbo Trails has been launched in the Annamalai Tiger Reserve, and it is the Jumbo Trails is the program mainly to educate the visitors that is visiting the Tiger Reserve about the elephants, the flora and the fauna of the Annamalai Tiger Reserve, mainly to educate the visitors about elephants, flora and fauna of the Annamalai Tiger Reserve. Next is question 12. Recently, CRISIL has revised its forecast for India's real gross domestic product, that is India's GDP growth, from 7.3% to how much percent? Option is A 7%, B 6.7%, C 7.2%, D 6.8%. So CRISIL had decreased the GDP forecast from 7.3% to the 7%. So correct option is option A 7%. Question 13. Which country becomes the biggest supplier of fertilizer to India? Option A is China, option B is the Russia, option C is the Japan, option D is the USA. So now Russia becomes the largest or biggest supplier of fertilizer to India. So option B is the correct answer. Recently the Russia has overtakes the China. Previously China is at the first number, but now Russia has overtakes the China to become the biggest supplier of fertilizer to India. Next is question 14. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, that is OECD, has cut the GDP forecast for India for the current financial year from 6.9% to how much percent? Option A is 6.7%, option B is 7%, option C the 6.8%, option D is the 6.6%. So correct answer is the option D, 6.6%. So OECD has forecasted previously to 6.9%, but now it has decreased to 6.6%. Next is question 15. Which union minister has inaugurated the 53-hour challenge for 75 creative minds tomorrow? Option A is the Giriraj Singh, option B is the Dharmendra Pradhan, option C is the Anurag Singh Thakur, option D is the Smriti Irani. So correct answer is the option C, Anurag Singh Thakur has inaugurated the 53-hour challenge for 75 creative minds tomorrow. And currently Anurag Singh Thakur is the Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, and youth affairs and sports. Question 16. At which place Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has inaugurated the UNESCO India Africa Hackathon 2022? Option A is Lucknow, option B is the Noida, option C is the Varanasi, option C the Varanasi, option D is the Prayagraj. So the Yogi Adityanath has inaugurated the UNESCO India Africa Hackathon at the Noida. So correct option is option B, Noida. Next is question 17. Which bank has introduced face authentication based electronics KYC? Option A is the Paytm Payment Bank, option B is the Airtel Payment Bank, option C the PhonePe, option D is the Google Pay. So recently, the Airtel Payment Bank has introduced the face authentication based electronics KYC. So option B is the correct answer. Question 18. Which state has organized the Shanghai Festival 2022? Option A is the Meghalaya, option B is the Tripura, option C is the Sikkim, option D is the Manipur. So in Manipur, the Shanghai Festival has been organized. So correct answer is option D, Manipur. Next is question 19. Which bank has bagged the national award from Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority for significant enrollment under Atal Pension Yojana? Option A is the Gujarat Vikas Gramin Bank, option B the Tamil Nadu Vikas Gramin Bank, option C the Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank, option D the Kerala Vikas Gramin Bank. So correct option is option C. The Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank has won the national award from the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority for significant enrollment under Atal Pension Yojana. The Atal Pension Yojana was formerly known as the Swavlamban Yojana, and the Atal Pension Yojana has been launched by the PM Narendra Modi on 9th May 2015. In Kolkata. Next is the question 20, which has made it into the Guinness World Record after achieving the feat of making 22,000 paper boats in the 35 minutes. Option A is the Katak Wali Yatra, B the Kalinga Wali Yatra, C the Jatani Wali Yatra, option D the Balasore Wali Yatra. So the Katak Wali Yatra, which is organized in which it has won the Guinness World Record for making 22,000 paper boats in the 35 minutes. Correct option is option A, Katak Wali Yatra. So option A is the correct answer. So this is the current affairs news of the 24th November 2022. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video. If you like my video, please share with the others. And if you want to give any suggestion, so please comment on the comment section.